Hi there, Natalie with you today with a quick overview of the add-on kit for this month. But before I show you that, I just want to quickly go through some of the kits that, besides the Life Crafted kit, the Citrus Twist kits we have available this month. We have a mini Halloween kit, and you can see an unboxing also. I think Kira has created one for us. And also we have our Christmas daily, our Christmas kit, and also Tina will be taking care and taking you through everything that comes included, and it's a very nice kit. But I want to show you just a little overview of what comes in the add-on kit. So let me just open it for you. I'm just going to put the embellishments aside. And the first thing you're going to get is 3 pieces of cardstock. This one is Coral Cream from Basil. Then you have Blue Calypso, same thing from Basil, and a sheet of white cardstock from American Crafts. This is the selection of cardstock for this month. And then you're going to have a selection of papers from Amy Tangerine and Slice of Life. 2 papers from her collection. Then you have a selection of Maggie Holmes Heritage. Again, beautiful colors for the fall. Everyday documenting. If you're in the northern hemisphere, then you're ready to go into fall documenting. And if you're in the southern hemisphere, then you're into spring. So these fit pretty much every occasion. And then you're also going to get a selection of Paige Evans for Pink Paisley from the Truly Grateful collection. Beautiful colors. I'm just going to flip them quickly so you see the B sides of the papers. And you're going to see that you are going to find a rainbow in the papers. Beautiful palette. And this one actually coordinates nicely with our Life Crafted kits. So if you're a subscriber to a Life Crafted kits, then these papers work beautifully with them. And this is the papers and the cardstock selection for this month. Now we go into the embellishments. The embellishments all come from Paige Evans' Truly Grateful collection for Pink Paisley. You're gonna get a whole sheet of the mini puffy stickers. You're also gonna get the entire package of the embellishment pack that comes sequins, epoxy hearts in a rainbow of colors, and some wood veneer. You will get this is the puffy phrases and accent stickers. Same thing, all the embellishments come from Paige Evans Truly Grateful. And then you're gonna get 2 packs of ephemera. The regular pack that comes with the phrases, and there's just some elements of decorations. There's some phrases that you can add to your pages, whichever way format you create. Pocket pages, traveler's notebooks, or scrapbooks. These all fit every single one of those formats. And you're also gonna get an entire pack of the floral ephemera. So you're gonna get lots of flowers to document your projects. Again, all the formats. And these all coordinate nicely with a Life Crafted kit. And I hope you are able to add one of these kits onto your carts. Remember, they're available now, and I cannot wait to see what you create with them. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, guys.